Hello and congratulations and welcome to the Voice of Victory. This is the day the Lord has made and will rejoice and be glad in it. Congratulations because you are in the fifth month. You are not in the morgue, you're not in the mortuary, you're not in the hospital bed, but you are alive. Some are having your position as a prayer point to get to, but God's mercy has brought you to this new month. Until I want to assure you this morning from God is that all you have lost in the past will be recovered this time. Because God is saying, I will restore to you the years the locust, the palmer, the caterpillar have eaten. Why? Because He's pouring His Spirit upon you in this new month. New things shall begin to happen for you because God has decided to favor you by all means. The man in book Mark chapter 5, the demon of Gadarene, had been possessed and he has been cutting himself, trying to set himself free. But Jesus came, gave him back his life, he restored him back to his normal senses, and after that, he recovered all the cities that he has lost. 10 cities. You are recovering everything this month by the mercies of God. God has decided to favor you by His own right hand. But one thing you must do this time is you must speak restoration. You must say restoration. When men say there's a casting down, always remember there's a lifting up, because they that are with you are mightier, are greater, are more than they that are with them. God be for you, there's no one that can be against you. Remember, this is the victory that overcomes this world, even our faith. Till I see you, keep speaking restoration. Bye bye. God bless.